YouTube. If you're wondering how I got this makeup look, I'm using mostly Maybelline products. And I'll say mostly because there's some products that I did not have that was Maybelline. So I'm just keeping it honest, keeping it real. But using mostly Maybelline products. Stay tuned. Oh, and before you go, please subscribe. Subscribe. Hit the button. Hit the bell. Thank you. To the tutorial. Let's go look. Okay, so my first step is to prime my face with Milani Prime Shield, and I am getting that rubbed in really, really good. Just want to say thank you. I have 63 subscribers now, and that motivated me to do a giveaway. So I'm thinking I'm going to give away some of the products that I use today, obviously in whoever skin tone that wins. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. My giveaway is going to be when I hit 100 subscribers. So like, share, motivate everybody to come subscribe, and you may be one of the random winners chosen. So now that I got my prompt. And then my next step is going to be the Maybelline 24-hour long wear foundation. I tried this out last week, and let me tell you, it was so funny to me because I tried to shoot a video testing this product out right out of the bag without knowing anything about it. And when I tell you that's hard, yeah, it's too hard. I don't know how these makeup gurus do it. Yeah, it was insane. I was getting makeup everywhere. I was dropping stuff. It was like long pauses. I'm not sure what the heck was going on with me. So here I'm going to go ahead and apply that same foundation I was talking about, the Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation. And I'm going to apply it all over my face and get it rubbed in really, really good. I'm using the color Mocha. And unfortunately, it's only one other color that is after my shade, which is Truffle. And then that's where the shade range ends. Hopefully, they'll be expanding these color shades at some point soon. But I really, really like it. It's very, very matte. Okay, in this step, I am going to highlight under my eyes with Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in as well as I can. Okay, so my next step would be to basically set my highlight. And what I'm going to set it with is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium deep. So as you can see, I'm going in with it. I know it looks like an awful lot, but don't be alarmed. I will buff everything out so that it has a really, really nice finish. I really enjoy these powders. The finishing powder just leaves a wonderful texture to your face once you're done and once it's buffed out. And then my next step would be to contour, and I'm going to contour with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. And I'm going to go ahead and contour. I lost my darker beauty blender. I'm not sure where the heck it went, but I'm going to contour with the other blender. And we're just going to keep it moving. Nothing's going to stop this show. So we're going to go ahead and blend it in. And I apologize for the voiceover. I just had to. I had to. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that contour with Mahogany Mandalay Dusk. I'm so sorry. From Shea Moisture. It's a bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and set that. And as you can see, I was talking at first. But I had to do a voiceover. So now I am setting the rest of my face with the deep from the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 40, in the deep color. Setting our face, especially if you get oily. I learned this particular technique, putting the powder like around your smile lines, from my favorite YouTuber, Jackie. I love her. I love her. I literally you know, I have one of those jobs where you can actually like listen to music and stuff while you work, and I'm usually watching YouTube and watching her tutorials, and every single beginning of her tutorial is like Jackie, 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 and I'm literally singing it, and people are like, the heck is going on with you? But I love her. She has so much personality, and she's fighting for us brown girls to try to get these companies to provide us with more shades. So, hey girl. Hey Auntie Jackie. I mean, she ain't my real auntie, but you know, I'm cool with that. So right here, I am going to do my eyebrows and get them together. Yeah, just doing my eyebrows here. Nothing to see here, just some eyebrows. Now, as far as any type of eyebrow tutorial, ladies and gentlemen, I'm probably not going to be the right person to give you that, because my eyebrows are cousins, not even sisters, they're cousins. So they're never, ever look alike, unfortunately. So, and here I am going to add some mascara from Makeup Forever. It is a sample size. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wonderful mascara to my lashes. Bam! These are my favorite lashes. They're called Single and Ready to Mingle by Eileen. And right now they're on sale for $1. $1. Yeah, so they were $1.95, but now they're $1. So if anybody's interested, y'all should go to Walmart and pick these bad boys up. Yep. And here I will be applying the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, the crown of my canopy. It's like a peachy bronze color that I think is absolutely beautiful. I love it, and the price point is really good. I think it's less than $6. So I'm going to apply it to the highlights of my cheek, maybe the tip of my nose. And yeah, this is a lovely highlighting powder. I love it. It's really, really good. Then the next step, I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to highlight the inner tear ducts also. Just add a little extra flair there, you know? So yeah, a little extra flair. And the next step, I'm going to use this Island Blues palette from Black Radiance. And I am going to go in the second darker brown color here. And I'm going to go ahead over my eye, my mobile lid with it. It kind of just blends in with the highlighter, which I really like. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And my next step, I'm going to use this pressed powder from Black Radiance also. It's in mahogany. I'm going to get a kind of fluffy brush, and I'm going to just kind of create a transition color above my eyelid. And I'm a little backwards. I should have did this first, but I was a little nervous. I get nervous on camera. I'm not just used to it just yet. So I'm doing things a little out of order. But I think once it all works out, as long as it wraps up good, there's no problem there. So please forgive me for being out of order. And I'm just creating like a very soft C right there in the corner. So now I grabbed this Wet n Wild palette called Poster Child, and I'm going to go into the definer thing, the little black one on the corner on the left side, and I'm going to spray it with some Master Fix and wet it up, and I'm going to just line my lid. And I'm going to finish my face off with that same finishing powder in the color Deep 40. And I'm just going to go in the cap and just take whatever's excess and just go over my whole face with that. Okay, so my last step is a liquid lipstick, and it is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and it's also in color Poet. I really, really like this color. It's like a peachy nude, and it matches well with my skin tone. It's a little bright, which I kind of toned that down a little bit with some brown lip liner, and I blended it in really, really good, and then I put some chapstick on top of it. And that was it. I was out the door. Well, I didn't really go anywhere, but you know, I was finished. Okay, so here's the final look, like I said, without my headscarf on, because pretty sure you kind of wanted to see what everything looked like, but here I am. And just remember, I have a ton of lights on my face. That's the real reason I'm shining.